So it's the next day and we came to Lover's Point. We're doing a 17-mile drive thing, so I'll get some footage of that too. But dude, it's cold here. Look at me. I have long sleeves on and everything. Look how pretty it is. How cute, they have this little beach area. The struggle's real. Cheese! So me and Jay are headed to these rocks thing. Let's see what the view looks like. If I could get it. So I just went up there, but I didn't make it too far in. I'm scared to get stuck. Look how pretty this place is. It's like a whole park thing too. Now let's go back before they leave me. been doing so bad at vlogging, but I try. Like yesterday we went to go get some food and I was in my head, I was like, why don't I record this? I was just so lazy. I had the camera with me and everything. I could have gotten shots and I don't get them. So we're just doing a 17-mile scenic route, so I'm trying to get some clips. I feel like it's gonna mainly be time-lapse videos, but I mean there's not much to say. And we have kids too, so it's hard. Speaking of kids,
You want the rock? You want rocks?
it's so windy here. Alright, so let's go continue our 17 miles. I forgot to record, but I got a soup. Over there.
Can you take a picture of this?
I'm gonna record it. What do you think of your cannoli?
It's a buñuelo with cheese, cream cheese in the center.
So we're trying cannolis, and we came to, oh fuck, I can't see. And we came to a mission. Something softer. I remember I had these in New York. Let's see how these taste.
They're not
Almost
soft.
felt like it was like pita bread softness to it. Are you ready to get off?
Yeah. Oh no, to get another one.
Oh, I'm so sorry, love.
Thank you.
I don't know what I think of this.
It's not a cannoli. If that's what you're thinking. It's a different take of a cannoli.
It's a wannabe cannoli. It looks
Like I
like a
told you.
cannoli.
Like I told you, like the outside to me tastes like a buñuelo.
He lied to me?
It's just a different take on a cannoli.
I had these in New York, but I think we were drunk when we tried them, so I don't even remember. But I have video footage when we were trying them. So we came to this mission. We're gonna check it out. So we checked out of the hotel already and we're headed back home. This is one of our stops, and then I don't know if I got video footage when we went to Casa de Fruta, but we're going again. So I'll get footage if I remember. Oh, I'm trying to get Madeline's face. She hasn't came out in my videos.
It's just a moon face. she got mad at you.
It's because she needs to get paid to come out on film. She's like, I ain't doing it for free. Oh, they're over there.
Where?
Right here. came here when we were on our way to Monterey Bay. So I think I got footage because this looks familiar. I just don't know how much. I just don't know how much footage I got.
Would you like to get my water?
That water looks crisp. Got this mug. And this gel. Hi! Can you see yourself? Can you see yourself? Look! Look, there's 2 Eli's! Wow! 2 Eli's. Say bye.
Bye.
Go like this.